today guys, we're gonna try the viral Buday chocolate. Okay, let's open it. This is from Heavenly Dessert.
Hello, Tita Jeng! Hello. We have 4 pieces of mochi.
But there's 5 of us. Pwede po kami magtagal.
Hindi ka na kumain, Kitch. Di ba kumain ka na?
Ano lang?
Heaven.
Wow!
Wow!
Kain ng kalabaw.
Hoy! Bastos yung bibig mo ha.
Ganun talaga.
Ay!
Wow!
Ano ba?
Sabay-sabay tayo.
Slice natin. Slice.
Hoy! Okay, I'm gonna open it now, babe.
Slice natin. Slice.
Uy! Ay!
You!
Give me daddy ha.
Mmm.
This is what you call a
Buday. Buday chocolate.
Chocolate.
3, 2, 1, go.
Kumakain lang nung...
Ba't ganun yung unang ano, parang may pait?
Yung dark cocoa.
Milo.
Guys, ano meron sa March 26? Hindi naman sumasagot.
Us as Yes My Love celebrates our third anniversary of Hindi guys, it's called Happy Anniversary. Your sadistic
March
one
17.
kami.
It's tayo. Panoorin nyo, sobrang ganda nung show guys. Tapos lang namin mag-rehearse actually. Sabi 1, 4, 3. Yes, my love! Bye.
Nakaplastic ka?